Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the coverage expired message on your iPhone in 2025. So step 1, understand what it means. The coverage expired error appears when your Apple device is no longer under Apple's limited warranty or AppleCare Plus. This is not an error, it is an information. Step 2, remove the notification settings. You can go to your phone settings and then general and then about. Scroll down until you see the coverage expired. Unfortunately, you can't remove it directly, but here's how to hide or ignore it. Step 3, reset the coverage info. If you have recently extended warranty or repaired your iPhone but still see this, you can try to go to your settings and then general and then transfer or reset iPhone and then reset and reset all settings. This won't delete data, but it will refresh your system info. Step 4, consider Apple support. If the message is incorrect, contact Apple support through the app or website and provide your serial number to verify coverage manually. Remember that this message does not affect your phone's performance. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.